Breithló Mhamaí.
Maidin de sahar na bhí ann. Bhí Mhamaí fós sa leibbe. Bhí daddy agus na páistí sa chistan. Rinne daddy cupán té. Rinne na páistí tósta. Chur siad im agus sub air. Hiúil siad suas an staire. Thosa siad ag canna. Bhí aontas agus áthas Mhamaí. Lá brethe sonna dit!
Ceistena, ceiste hain. Cén lá a bhí ann. Ceiste dó, có raibh Mhamaí. Ceiste trí, có raibh daddy agus na páistí. Ceiste cathair, an raibh aontas Mhamaí.
Breithló Mhamaí means Mummy's birthday. So Modern Day Saturn. Modern is the morning of Day Saturn. Saturday morning a bhí ann. So it was Saturday morning. Bhí Mhamaí fós salaba. Mummy was. Fós means still. Salaba in bed. Meanwhile, bhí Daddy agus na páistí sa chistin. Daddy and the children were in the chistin, in the kitchen. Rinne Daddy cupán té. Daddy made a cupán té, a cup of tea. Rinne na páistí toasta. The children made toasta. They made toast. Chuir siad im agus sub air. They put butter agus sub and jam air on it, on the toast. So what did they do then? Hiúil siad suas an staire. They walked suas up the staire, the stairs. Then husig siad ag chana. They started ag chana singing. Bhí ionta agus áthas Mhamaí. So when you have iontas, that means you're surprised and happiness. So Mummy was surprised and happy. And they started singing there, Lá brethe sonna dit. Happy birthday to you. Now let's have a look at the questions. And we can start here by putting our page and title up the top. Lahanach Seachto Sé. Seachto 76. So cén lá bhí ann? What day was it? Modern Day Saturn. Of course it was Saturday morning. Cá raibh Mhamaí. Where was Mummy? Well, we start off with V. Mummy was. V Mummy. Fós salaba. Mummy was still in bed. Iver 3. Cá raibh Daddy agus na páistí. Where were they? Where was Daddy and the children? V Daddy agus na páistí sa chistin. Daddy and the children were in the kitchen. And Iver cathair an raibh aontas Mhamaí. Was Mummy surprised? V aontas. And you can put in V aontas agus áthas Mhamaí. Mummy was surprised and happy. Well done.